Leslie from LaPorte has a question about shiplap restoration.
Well, she has it under her sheetrock and she wants it exposed.
Okay.
Leslie asks, what process would you recommend, Tom, if we don't want to paint the walls? I mean, what do we do to fill any openings in the shiplap, like knot holes and breaks in the wood and things like that? And what products would you recommend using? What's your advice for Leslie?
This is a difficult question to answer because shiplap was never meant to be looked at.
Oh.
It was always, that's why they had the wallpaper that would go on top of it.
All right.
And then we got into sheetrock and people sheetrocked over it. It's part of the structure. So it's only going to look like it's going to look. You can play with it, you can paint it, you can stain it. You're not going to be able to fill all the gaps and holes because the whole house is going to move and it's just going to come out. If you have some big holes you want to fill with some wood putty, I'm good with that, but it'll look like you filled it with wood putty.
Okay.
So it's never going to be this pristine, beautiful shiplap stained
No, maybe she
interior
Maybe she's going for that distressed look.
Well, if that's the case, I wouldn't fill the holes and stuff. I would just go ahead and finish it, stain it.
And maybe that kind of distressed paint where you kind of have it, it's kind of on there, but the wood's exposed too and all that. That look kind of nice.
You can do whatever you want with it, and if you just want a real finished look with wood, then what you do is you put wood paneling over the top of it.
Here's the other thing about doing that, and just my reaction as a homeowner and one who has bought and sold a house or two. You got to think about who's going to buy that too. Is that a look that people are going to like? And so, I mean, it may be good for you, but...
Yeah, and I want you to do it for you.
Right, that's exactly right.
I have a neighbor right now. He's remodeling his whole house because he wants to sell it.
Oh, shut up.
And I said, why don't you just sell it as is? It was fine.
Right.
But no, he thinks he's going to get something out of it, but he's not. So make the house for you. When you remodel it, you want your bathroom a certain way, you make it for you. You enjoy it, you live life with it, and then when it comes time to sell, let somebody else remodel it their way.
There you go. That's great advice. You want some more? Send us your question. We'll help you out just like that. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom button. Fill it out. Send it in. And we'll answer it like these videos over here. And if you subscribe to our channel when you do that and click the bell, we'll ring yours when we post your answer.